Welcome back to the breakdown how to. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to reduce image sizes in order to speed up your website and do all of that awesome stuff. The best way you can speed up a website is to make the images smaller before you even upload them to the site. Sure, there's WordPress plugins and stuff that reduce them after they're on the site, but the thing is, the original is still there. This makes sure it's small from the get-go, and that's what we're doing in this video. But before we get on into it, I want to remind you that this video is brought to you by Bluehost. Go to the breakdown.xyz/Bluehost. First link down below to get an awesome Bluehost website up and running quickly and easily. It's only $3.95 a month. Currently, they're running a special for $2.95 a month. Freaking awesome stuff, guys. The first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Bluehost. But let's go ahead and get on into this video. So what we want to do is go to the second link down below. It's going to be Optimizilla here. And this is the tool that we're going to use to reduce our image sizes. But we need to know what we're starting with here. So this is a picture of a Lamborghini, right? Beautiful Lamborghini pictures, if you can't tell. I like Lamborghinis. And yeah, this is a relatively big image. It's 1.14 megabytes right there, taking up 1.5 megabytes on our disk. So that's our starting point, right? That's our control, if you will. Now let's go ahead and upload that image here and see how much of a reduction we can get without doing too much crazy stuff, right? We can choose how much we want to reduce the quality here. And as you can see, we've only reduced it by less than 25%. And let's actually just do a 25% quality reduction, and it actually, by doing that 25% quality reduction, is getting us a 45% file size reduction. And what's good about this image is we're going to actually be able to tell here from zooming in, like we have here side by side, where, if any, there is any, issues or blurriness or stuff that we can see. And I'm not seeing anything, guys. Like, really and truly, the car looks very, very similar. The naked eye isn't picking up anything there, and that gets my approval, right? We might actually be able to go a little more. This is a good place where you can see a little bit more distortion in this image. But what if we were to do 50? Right? That's a bit drastic, I know, but what kind of a quality reduction are we going to get? So quite a bit there. Now we can really see that quality reduction around these lines. However, it is reduced it to 68%. However, I think that 75 number was a good middle ground. It reduced it 45%, got it down to 642 kilobytes from 1.1 megabytes there. And yeah, awesome stuff. So let's go ahead and download this file. And now, if we come and check it out on our desktop, we have two here. This is the one that we've minimized. This one is for 645 kilobytes. And this one, the original, is actually 1.1 megabytes. So, huge reduction there. Almost a 50% reduction between these two files. This one right here, let's look at quality now. Side by side. Boom, that is the new one. This is the original. If we pull them up, I will shrink them down here just a little bit. That way we can actually get a side-by-side here. If we look at these, I am not seeing any color difference or any, to me, this is the same image. I'm not seeing any difference there. Maybe you are. I don't know if it's translating through video or what it's doing there. But to me, this image might actually look better. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But there you guys have it. That's how you can reduce image sizes quite drastically, and that is all done using the second link in the description below. This website here, Optimizilla. I use this all the time, and one of the things I like about it is you can upload multiple images at one time. See, we can actually have 3 images in here, and then whenever we're ready to download them and upload them to our site and do all that stuff, we can just click the download all button right there. It's going to give us a handy dandy zip file. They're not sponsoring this video or anything. What they are doing is providing an awesome service for free. So if we click download all there, right here we can see Optimizilla zip downloads, and boom, there are all the images we uploaded. That is awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this. Website improvement tips to speed up your website, all of that awesome stuff. We're going to be doing that. We've got tons of tutorials on blogs and websites and everything coming up. It is awesome. You won't regret it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, all of that awesome stuff. My name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown How To, and I am out, guys. Peace.